Hello, and tech those tuner plugs in from Skullcandy. It's the new rail and smoking buds. So nice colourful packaging that stands out, and that's what they look like there. These have a pink covering and these have green, but the earbuds are not that colour. So that's pretty much it. Upgradable tech, unbeatable sound. So your IPX4, 20-hour battery life, and you've IPX5 and 42-hour battery life. So there's a bit of a difference between the two. And let's have a look. So with this guy here, you can get an A and C pack as well, and you've got adjustable mics, Skull IQ feature, and you've also got multi-point pairing, plus you have got customizable functions, preset and custom EQ modes, and you've got tile built in as well. So there's a lot going on here, which is pretty good, and personal sound by Mimi as well, which enables you to tune your audio. So let's have a look at these. Okay, so you get your user guide and you get your booklet in here, which has everything there that you need to get going. Pretty good. So you've got your cable in here, and with Skullcandy cables you get, let's get this out, the plastic instead of the metal ends, which I like, and that's it there. Skullcandy branding on it as well. So you got your 4 tips, so presumably there's 2 pre-installed. Let's have a look at these. So you got a small case as well. You've got wireless charging built in on this as well, which is pretty good. Oh cool, so you've got kind of a clear see-through earbud there. So that kind of reminds me of a pair we did recently, which was these guys here, if you remember them. The Grind Haze. No, it's actually not them. It's another pair of them, see-through, but you've got the nice colours like Grind Haze there, as you can see. So that there. Let's have a look at these, and you can see that they are small stemmed, which I prefer. Skullcandy branding on the sides there as well. You got your LED lights on top, as you can see, and your extra tips with also Skullcandy branding. So that's pretty nice. So that's the Skullcandy rail. So let's have a look at the smoking buds. Okay, the smoking buds are an environmentally friendly product with up to 20 hours of battery life. IPX4 is mentioned there. You've got your movie, music and podcast EQ modes built into this as well with the app. You've got noise isolation fit, and you've got a mic in each earbud, and you've got auto connect built in here. So these are the more budget friendly and pocket friendly pair of earbuds. So let's check these out. Okay, so we have got different packaging here, and that's your booklet there. The same cable here again, USB A, USB C, and you have your tips top and bottom here, and you've got your scan to get started there, your QR code for the app. So let's have a look at these. Alright, so that's what they look like there. You've got your LED light up front, USB-C, and you've got all these other information here on the bottom, which no one reads. And that's them there, so let's take them off. And again, these are small, but you can see the different design element there. So they've got a smaller stem. So what we'll do is, so that's the rail and that's the Smokin buds. You can see they are smaller. They're kind of like the indies, if I remember correctly. Really small, and that's the shape in there. So they kind of have that whole earbud shape, but you can also put tips on them as well. And you've got left and right branding on them there, so you can see which is which. That's pretty much it and what they look like out of the box. So I'll just get one on one here. Both are small earbuds and similarly shaped, except these ones are slightly bigger. You've got your magnetic connections on the back there, and that's really about it. So let's pop these back in the case here and see what happens. So that's it there. You've got your LED light in front, just a little simple open catch here. And that's really it. So a little bit less going on with these than these guys here, but no doubt they should sound good. So any questions, hit us up. Review soon, techbuzzorn.com. Stay tuned. We'll go through everything with the app, the features, the whole lot. This is just your first look to give you an idea of what to expect if you go pick them up. Talk to you in the next one. See you then.